guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing. This one here, this box here, is from another collector, well-known collector on YouTube, Numatic 10 or Ryan, as some of you may know him. So here we have pneumatic parts which he did not want anymore, which he did not have a use for, but I do. So let's unwrap this shrink wrap or tin film or whatever it is, and we'll get into it. So I don't know whether, here we go. Right, so the first bit out is a switch, a switch with some leads. Now you'll see what those are for, whatever that is. And right, so here is the top half. Right, here's the first bit out. We have a old pneumatic lid. Looks like it's been spray painted on, and we've got some kind of motor in there. Don't know what that is, but it looks Chinese and cheap. It's got no back part on here at all. But it's got a nice pneumatic sticker on there as well. All this should hopefully sift off. And this should go on my NV200 that's needing a motor cover, because the name's come off. We have a early pneumatic lid, that cover bit, so that's in pretty nice condition. Paint's flaking off a bit, but that will be okay. We have a vintage pneumatic tub. Is like a late 90s one actually, an old Henry tub. It's missing the wheel, but that should be alright. The spares tub. We've got an 80s original pneumatic hose, like so, but this one is split here, so I will try to glue that back together once we take that. But this is one of the ones with the fixed cuff. We have back vent for the NV200, and then last of all we have this, which is a 110 volt pneumatic motor. However, this is in the casing. And also, last but not least, we have a pneumatic casing here. Pretty battered. Look at that. That's pretty battered. But I will be having a use for this. So that's it. That's all that's gone. So I'll be having a use for that casing. Just get the box and stuff out of the way. So this was quite cheap, so you know, I got it all. I think it cost me £25 posted. So here's the lid. Here's the lid then. It's missing the inner casing bit. Hang on, not casing, this bit in here. Missing that, but I can whack that in there, can't I? And it is full of dust. So this will be a new work back that I'm going to be building up. Of course, this NV200 will be used for something. I think, yeah, I was going to use the casing, weren't I? Top casing, and the rest can be whatever. I'll probably make a 110 vac because I've got a 110 DAF now, and the screws are pretty mashed up under here. However, there is a screw in there which I can use. And I've got two screws, so you know, so right, so they're the handle ones. If I can get these out, hopefully, which I might try and do now, just go and get impact driver. Normally you can get bits out like this with impact drivers. Yeah, they're just spinning. Let me just get some different bits of the impact driver. Got some more bits in here somewhere. There we go. Let's try some of these. Because if you normally put the fatter one in there, it doesn't normally grip. That one doesn't grip. That one doesn't grip. That one kind of grips. Right, let's see if we can undo that one with this first. Nope, that's not having none of that. Let's try this one. Nope, they're seized solid. Let's try that. Nope. Nope. They're not having none of that. Let's try this one. Nope. Nope. Right, so I think we'll be drilling them screws out. But for now, that's that. And we can just put it together. I've got a handle and everything for this. So, you know, I can just whack it together. It goes on there. So, and the vent thing goes on the back. Have there, like that. And of course we've got the dome here. That's in pretty good nick at the front. I mean, although that, does that have a sticker name? No, it don't. But that looks in pretty good nick, this one. Right, at least we can nick a screw. Right, we can do that another time. We can get that out of there. There we go, we've got that for a work vac. Let me just go and get the rest of it so you can have a look. And I will be doing a video of building up the work vac. New work vac. Well, it won't. There'll be the big industrial NV in the shed. And then there'll be this, of course. So that just goes on there like that. And then that, of course. There we go. Here, like so, and then that will go on there like that, and then of course the handle goes on the top half of the cleaner, like so. So there we go, look at that, old ratty NV250, got the cable there, 3/4 cable, that, and then the NV200, which I actually might open up just to see what motor actually is inside, because I am interested. I'm sure you would be as well. Just grab a screwdriver. Okay, it's just a cheap kind of pattern motor in this. Apparently it doesn't work, but you know, might be handy for something if it works. It just looks like a cheapo motor. You know. Let's undo these. So that comes off, and this off. And what the hell is that? I do not know what that motor is, but it is some kind of motor. Yeah, that is weird. Do not know what that is at all. But I will test that. Might be out of something, like an old commercial back or something. Might be out of something. And it's got, I think it's got UDS seals on. But yeah, it might work. So if it does work, that'll be a bonus. You know. And, I can plonk it in something. Of course, even if it does work, I can try and make some machine up out of this and whatever parts I have, you know. I think this does look like a 90s machine, this. Probably the same as my other one that I've got. Ah, look, that's good. We've got 2 of these Numatic stickers. That's good. I've been looking for these Numatic stickers for my machines. I've only got 2 at the moment. One's on my cream Henry, one's on my H3C, I think. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I can whack some. I can leave the one on the top of this on this, and then the other one, that one I can probably clean up and whack on an NV200 or something, or 250. But there we go. There we have a couple of Numatic machines. Of course, screw the old commercial hose on there, like that. But yeah, another moulded cuff hose, which is always handy. I'll probably clean that one up actually. Send it to someone. But yeah, there we go. There's what I got from Mr. Ryan. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.